Hello everyone. Okay, in today's video, haha. I keep saying today's video when a lot of times I actually film several videos a day. So, in this video, I'm going to be making my great-grandma's or my Oma's brown sugar. Now, she didn't make brown sugar the way most people do. Most people use regular molasses. My grandma used Blackstrap Molasses, unsulfured molasses. Now, it is very much an acquired taste if you're using straight molasses. So, I would suggest that you make sure that if you're going to do it this way, you make sure you add my little trick. My great-grandma's trick to make the molasses not quite so, tart's not even the word, it's strong. Very, very strong flavor to it. To hide the flavor or to help soften the flavor, my great-grandma added almond extract, which makes a huge difference. I have made regular brown sugar using just plain molasses. Then I found my great-grandma's recipe when I got all the cookbooks from my grandma. My great-grandma's recipe was in there and her brown sugar recipe was in there. And so I made her brown sugar recipe and I'll never go back. I use her recipe now for brown sugar. You can use regular molasses and still use the almond extract, and it tastes really good, but the Blackstrap Molasses with the almond extract just gives, it's unbelievable flavor. It's an unforgettable taste. Now, you've got to remember, if you are making anything, any baked goods out of this brown sugar, you need to warn anyone who has a nut allergy because you are putting almond extract into the brown sugar, which of course is a nut. Alright, let's get started. Now it requires 8 to 10 cups of sugar, depending upon whether or not you want dark or light brown sugar. I generally use between 8 and 9 cups, but I always start out with 6 cups on the bottom. Then I put my molasses on top and add the last 2 cups of sugar and start the mixing process. So in my thing, 6 cups of sugar. Then we're going to add 1 cup, if I can get this open, of Blackstrap Molasses. This is actually the only thing I use the Blackstrap Molasses for. I have other molasses around my house, but I only use the Blackstrap Molasses for this brown sugar. Alright, 1 cup molasses, Blackstrap, then the 2 cups of sugar for 8 cups. We plug it in, bring it up, and we start slow mixing, and then bring it up to speed. Now this is going to have a very strong, very distinct smell because, again, it's Blackstrap Molasses. Alright, now we add the almond extract. 1 tablespoon almond extract. Get the lid on this so I don't spill it. Then we're going to add another cup of sugar. And get it mixed up. Now this is where the smell of a really good brown sugar starts to come in, because that almond extract, of course, will cover a lot of the smell and mix with the flavor of the blackstrap molasses to create a beautiful brown sugar. Alright, now for me, this is dark enough. See, I'm on the end of my brown sugar. For me, that's dark enough. However, this particular batch I'm going to be sharing with someone. So I'm going to add the 10 cups of sugar because they don't like theirs so dark. And then what I will do is I'll take out what I want, and I'm going to mix it with my other, the bottom of my other brown sugar. And then I'm going to put their brown sugar in a container. They just wanted to try some, so I'm making it a light brown sugar for them and a lighter brown sugar so you can see what it looks like. There we have it. Brown sugar using Blackstrap Molasses. Now, if you're going to use, like I said earlier, if you're going to use Blackstrap Molasses, you have got to make sure you use almond extract, or it will be a very strong flavor that can be very hard to handle if you're not used to Blackstrap Molasses. Thanks for coming along, and I hope you enjoyed this video. A simple, easy way to make brown sugar using Blackstrap Molasses. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below on anything else you'd like to see me make, maybe out of my great-grandma's recipe book. Let me know, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, stay positive. Bye!